Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lulu. If it's your first time here, I do beauty and lifestyle related videos. If you haven't given us a sub yet, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below. Today is a Friday and we are starting another vlog. I uploaded my very first comeback vlog last week and it's already up. I'm so excited. People have watched, people have commented. Oh, get happy guys, get happy. And I have another vlog already on the way. I'm halfway through editing it. Today is Friday. I'll be done by later today or tomorrow. But excited about you guys. I'm happy to be back. When you watch my vlogs, like them as well, give them a like. Anyways, so it's my baby's birthday today. My niece Bikanyo, you guys know her. She's turning 21 and she's having her proper celebration with her friends tomorrow. So today she was like, I want to be at home. I'm gonna tag along with you like always. I'm going to work. So yeah guys, that's it. Yo guys, that vlog, thank you guys. The vlog that we uploaded, I haven't been consistent with the gym. I've been going, but I haven't been eating well. I went only 2 times this week. Usually I go about 4 to 5 times. If we're busy, then I'll go 3 times, 4 times. But usually I like to go 5 days a week. My BBL that I got at the gym. Anyways, guys. Oh, look at me. This camera in Gaga all the time when I use it. How I wish I would just be able to press record and let it do its own thing. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my earrings from SHEIN. I'm wearing this top. It's an old top, and I'm wearing a pleated skirt. I don't remember where I got this from. These shoes, they're also from SHEIN. I'm wearing my watch from Timberland and my cup. I'm trying out this Fenty lip gloss thingy. It's Kalahari Melon. This is what it looks like. Imunandi. Oh, perfume. Amethyst. It's from Latafa, guys. Ebile go daha abanye ke skoloto. Ke mala o ya sepetlela. And ho ka ba sola wa hola so. Private. Why should say public? O na tshela ta private. I found a way to put my tripod that is safe. Mara's card, at least I have to.
Phone disconnected.
Where's the phone? I forgot my phone.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say the fucking thing loud. So girl, what you singing for? Cause you blow like a seagull.
What had happened was I don't even remember what I shot and what I didn't. I'm going to go fix my nail, and then I went to Ambassadors for You to fetch clothes, and then I went to what's this, 8 Gig to buy cake for Vikanyo. Like I said to you guys, it's Vikanyo's birthday today. Yeah guys, today was not a good day for me. I get to what was happening, but I just felt weird, and then the weirdest thing happened, I was running my errands, right? Okay, I just had this instinct. I don't know what it is, but I was like, you know what, let me check up on my friend and call her and see if she's okay. How? And something in my heart, something in my heart, and I've been feeling like this for like 2 to 3 days. I remember telling our other friend, no man, that one is not okay. How? Same time I call her, dude is crying. My friend is like, she's literally crying, you know. I'm like, what's wrong? And then she's like, yeah, this and this happened. I'm like, yo, okay, cool, no, fine, I'm on my way. Guys, you must just trust your instinct, eh? Sometimes I don't know what it is, but that feeling that you sometimes get to call someone and check up on them, like I literally always get that feeling there, and sometimes I do, sometimes I don't follow up with it. I have to edit a vlog, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I got something that I can lend you. A piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped you? That's a feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah.
Another day of the vlog. It is on Saturday, and currently it's at, the time is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So right now I'm on my way to, I've just finished doing Mikanya's hair and Mikanya's makeup. She's waiting for me. I'm going to take her to, they're going to either Summit or they're going to that greenhouse on festival. They're still deciding where to go, because I think Paris Summit or something like that. I get but I saw the place the other day, so I don't understand. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a dress from Ambassadors for You. I'm not gonna put on makeup or anything. I'm actually, more. They're in a hurry. So yeah, guys, let's go and shoot content. See you guys when I see you.
I got something that I can lend you. A piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep.
Hey guys, Sanbanani guys. Sunday, continuation of the vlog. I don't know what happened Izolo, but we chilled. We were at Summit. I had dropped off my niece. We got there with my friend Lantla. We just chilled a bit and we decided to come back home, I think just before maybe 8. Came home, bought alcohol, chilled, ran about till something around to 12. Yeah. Yo, my niece looked amazing, guys. I'm sure you guys saw Uti. Yay. Y'all have to agree with me. I'm pretty good at what I do, okay? She ate and left no crumbs, honey. I want to show you guys my SHEIN order that I got the other day. I opened it, put everything back in the plastic so I can properly do not an unboxing, yeah, something, maybe a haul kind of, yeah. So I got my SHEIN order the other day. So first thing that is in here is this top. And then this was in, let me see, it was in a medium. So it's those tops, you know, so it's this top right here. We always see the front, but we can't see the back. So this is what it looks like at the back. The material is quite good. I didn't think the material would be this good. Hermes. This is what the shoes look like. This I got in a size, it says size 8 here, but I'm guessing this is a US size 8. So it's a UK 35. It's a UK what? Ish guys, I wanna this size business, I think they sent me the wrong size because I'm pretty sure I ordered a 38.5. Maybe they didn't have. This one says size 8. I'm pretty sure it's a UK. It's a UK size. It's a US size 8. I'm a US 7.5, which is a 5. They only had the option for a 38.5. My friend D actually wanted this color. I wanted the black ones. When I checked for my size for the black ones, this thing. I also got these kojic acid soaps. I want to lighten my underarms. I'm sure you guys have noticed, but my underarms are quite dark, you know, and yeah, I don't like that. I really don't like that. Okay, so this is a glycolic acid toner. This is a dupe. Yeah, the ordinary. This is what it looks like. I also got the famous Bottega earrings, Bottega dupe earrings. Love these. So I also got this satin skirts. I think I'm gonna like it, and I think it's gonna fit perfectly. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about these. I also got gym sets. I got this purple one. I kind of want to see what these are gonna look like on me, because the past gym sets that I've gotten, which were like shorts, I was uncomfortable wearing them in the gym up until as of late. I got the courage to wear them at the gym. I also got this one in a gray. So far, to be honest, I think I only like the quality of this pink one. It's the only one that I like. The other ones, I don't know. I got these seamless G-strings. Oh yeah, this is what they look like. They're in a pack of 4. I guess like a pack of how many, but this is what they look like. This is them. Yo, I'm gonna love these so much. I also got bra sets. They are how many? Let me count. So it's these 3 bras and more underwear. So it's literally more underwear, but thank God it looks different. Hair clips. This I got for my kit. It's cute. I got this SHEIN palette. It's a makeup palette. Oh, this looks so good. This looks so good. Oh my God, love this. I really have a lot in the pan. The pan seems to be pants, which I don't like. Don't like that. Also got makeup brushes. They're pretty soft or whatever. So I also got this dress. Pila pila, it's a dress. It's a skirt and a top connected together. Shirt. The material of it, guys, I don't know if you can see. I love this material. If you haven't watched my hauls, if you want to see, you can go and watch my haul. But I bought this dress in a snake print color, also from SHEIN. This one retails for 300 and something. That other one was like 150. I wonder why, because they're the same. That is it for the haul, guys, and that is it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching.
we are on. I don't really care much for the subscribers because I know them. I know that I'm going to get them. I just need you guys to watch my videos. I just need you guys to watch my videos. If you haven't watched my other videos, you can go ahead and watch them as well. Like, yeah, just press play and playlist them and watch the videos. I 1K subscribers, I know I'm pretty much going to get. It's the watch hours that I am racing towards. So yeah, please guys, continue to watch and like, comment, subscribe, and all of that jazz. See you guys in my next video. Rati.